Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to repair a cracked screen on an HP 24-F0030 all-in-one computer. So let's get into it. So the first step is to remove these pieces along the bottom. These will expose two screws, and loosening them will allow you to remove the base. Once the base is removed, you need to remove these three screws. After that, you want to gently pry up this bottom bezel. Once it is removed, you then must unscrew these screws. Starting at the bottom corners, you want to gently take a pry tool and pry up the screen from the frame. Once it is loose, you can very carefully pick it up and lean it up against something so you can access the internals. Now we need to go in and disconnect the cables. So you want to go in on both sides, not to pull straight up as that can damage the cable. We need to disconnect all of the cables from the screen just like before. So we want to go in again on both sides, not pulling straight up. To disconnect this big LVDS cable, you can see there are these little metal clips. Pushing them in will allow you to disconnect the cable. Once all the cables are removed, you want to unscrew these screws to disconnect the screen from the frame. Now we can swap out the broken screen panel for a new one and begin the process of putting the computer back together. Once the screen is back in place, using the palm of your hands, go around and gently apply some pressure to snap the screen back into place. Now, let's plug it in and give it a final test. And there you go. Looks like it turns on and the screen works. So, this is how you repair an HP 24-F0030 all-in-one computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there'll be a link down below. If you don't want to attempt this repair yourself, you can contact us over at lcdguarantee.com, and we offer a mail and repair service. Thanks for watching.